Arlene probably remembers that summer in '97. But by that time I had the key to the studio. I'd be there 6 days a week, training, watching Sifu Dan do his forms in slow motion was always just mesmerizing. And then Sifu Dan would laugh at me as I did my forms, correct them and make them better, and then we'd go to Arlene and Sifu Dan's house for lunch. And I remember every time we go into his home for lunch, it was such an honor. So thank you for that, Arlene. For the almost 2 decades I trained with Sifu Dan at the Cepeda Brothers, I have so many stories to last a lifetime. I know we all do. Today I hope we all get a chance to share all those stories together. What a great opportunity. But I'll end with just one. At the beginning I mentioned that I was a tap dancer, begging to go to the Cepeda Brothers studio. The truth is, if it wasn't for Sifu Dan, I'd probably be teaching like ballet or tap or something like that right now. But after begging my mom for years to walk into the Cepeda Brothers, finally we did. And that day she met Sifu Dan. He spoke to her about the school, about the fact that we're a big family, about the focus on respect and discipline, and told her all of this with his charming smile, sense of humor, and infinite charisma. And that day my mom did what I did, what my father did, and what everyone at this park today also did. She fell in love with Sifu Dan, and she fell in love with Cepeda Brothers. So thank you, and here's to Sifu Dan and the Cepeda Brother family.
All I want to say, just kind of add a little bit is, especially the young guys, if you dedicated to the art and your training, you're going to be good. That's it.